Today we're going to learn how to age a terracotta pot. So if you like this old world look, stay tuned. It's real easy. Okay, number one, find yourself a terracotta pot. This material is so breathable, so with age and time, especially if it's in the outdoors, it will have this mineralization of the texture. So you'll get the drips and the calcium deposits and the white that I personally love. So if you're into that look, we can make that happen faster. This is an indoor plant and it might take some time to get there. Let me preface, if you're gonna grow herbs or anything that you want to be food grade safe, the following might not be the best plan for you. This is simply for anything decorative, just because you want a certain look, right? I love the old world feels and hopefully you do too. So let's get going. Find Mod Podge. I'm gonna link this down in the description below, but this is a water-based glue, sealer, and finish. I got this at Walmart. You can probably find it anywhere online. Simple enough is Amazon, but I'll link it for you so it's easy. And it's cheap. It's like $3 US. Let's start this off with the 2 ingredients that you'll need. Mod Podge, matte. There's a few types. So this is matte. So it's a yellow bottle. They have orange as well. I don't think you need that. And some flour. I checked my cupboards and I don't have flour because I'm trying to be healthy. And I have oat flour, a little bit left. So I'm going to see how it works with oat flour. But for your recipe, if you want to make sure it works, use regular flour. This is my glyphosate-free oat flour that I pulverize in the food processor. Back in the days when I was doing baby food for my little one. Okay, ready guys? Let's do this. Okay, you're gonna get a few ounces of water, a paintbrush. This is pretty much what you need. Water, flour, paintbrush, inspiration. All right, 30 minutes in between coats. We're gonna do multiple coats here. Whoops, brand new. See, I'm trying it out with you guys. Ooh, smells like glue. Definitely smells like glue. I don't even know how much I'm supposed to use. So I'm testing out this consistency. It's a little bit watery. I think that should work. But if it's not feeling great, then I will thicken it up. And if you have your terracotta pot without anything inside, that's the ideal plan. I already had this guy planted, and to take it out feels like I don't want to deal. So we're gonna just carry it and paint. All right, follow me along. Oh yeah. Oops, we should probably protect our surfaces. I actually like this tray. Open that here. There we go. So I fell in love with this look because I love like an English garden look. Or just an effortless garden, right? One that almost feels overgrown. One that feels like it just happened to look that amazing. This feels a little runny because it's running down my hand, but I don't think that's going to be a problem because kind of look how it's running down the pot. Let's see. It'll give that more of an imperfect feel. So do you see, guys, what I'm doing here? I really think my solution is a little runnier, so you kind of have to eyeball it. I would make it thicker off of my first initial impression, but take your flour, ideally regular powder, regular flour, and just throw it on there. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. I think this will work. Oh yeah. This is a vibe, guys. Check it out. Bottom. Don't you like getting your hands dirty? I could do this every day. Just give me all your pots, guys. I'm good. I'm being very wasteful. I'm sorry. I'm gonna cook with this afterwards. My children will thank me. Oh, this feels like a lot, eh? Oops. Some got in there. Guys, I don't even think we need more. Okay. Wow. This has like a real feel. Okay, there you go. So I'm letting that dry a little bit. And I should wash my hands. But this is the first coat. I'm generally feeling it. You know, I'm not sure how I feel about the parts that look drippy. So, backtracking, make your consistency a little thicker so it doesn't have those run marks if you don't like that. If you do like it, runnier the better. Okay? So I might redo this section because I don't know if I want that. I'll have to decide. But guys, already what a vibe. Like, look from far away. This is cool. Cool vibes. It's been some minutes and I decided I like it as is. I'm not gonna even do another coat. And look, I barely even made a dent. You can do dozens, hundreds of pots maybe. I don't know. I'm gonna go make some oatmeal. Bye.